We have created a software for an optical center. It is designed in Java on Eclipse IDE. We have used phpMyAdmin localhost for database of the shop. Now let's have a quick review of our software. This is the software. This is the sign up and sign in procedure. If the user is not already registered, just go and sign up and give a valid username which is not already registered, for example user8, and a password. These two passwords should match and they should be at least 8 characters long. Sign up. Now let's sign in with the same user or any other already registered user. You can sign in. This is just for the security purpose. Now this is the main GUI which the shop will be using. The previous GUI was just for the security purpose, getting authentic user logins. Now this is the thing which the shop will be using in actual, where they will enter the customer details, the item details, the lens details, total and paid amount, and pickup date, and then they can generate the bill. Let's have a quick review of all the options here. Here there are options: add item, where we can add any of the item which comes in the shop. Let's click on it. Write item 6 for example. This should be unique, this should not be used previously. Item name, for example brown frame. Price, for example 700, quantity 10, and add the item. Now go to records and items, and here the item 6 with brown frame, quantity 10 and price 700 is added in the record. These were the previous items which we added. Back, and for example now of the same item some new stock has come, so let's increase its quantity. Item 6 was its score. Extracted. These are the details. From here we can delete this item or change the quantity. For example now we have 20 items, or our price is 600, and update it. Now when we go to records in items, now the item 6 with brown frame has quantity 20 and price 600. Now let's consider a new customer came. Let's enter its details. For example, customer name is ABC, contact number is some random number, and address is some random variable. And now the items which he want to buy. For example, he want to buy item 6. He want 2 item 6 and item 4 1. And then press OK. It will show all the details of that item, so its name, price, and net price. Here there will be total price coming and the paid price coming. Now in most of the eye center it's a custom that they pay advance bill and give the lenses order, and when they receive the lenses order they paid the remaining amount. So for example in advance they paid 1000 rupees, and these are the lens details. For example 0.7, 1.3, and up to so on, whatever the details of the customer, 0.85. And the pickup date, for example here today is 18th of the July, we want to select for example 23rd July. So now this will be the pickup date. Now generate the bill. This will be the printed slip which will go to the customer, in which there are the serial number, customer name, issue date, phone number, return date, lens details, items, and everything related to the customer. Now let's go to the records, back and records. We have customers, where customer 26 has name ABC, contact number this, and address XYZ. Similarly, payments, customer 26 has total amount 1600, paid 1000, and remaining 600. and lens order of customer 26 was this with these specifications, and up to so on. Now for example, that customer paid that amount later on, so we can go to update payment. His ID was 26, extract his details, his remaining amount was 600. Check in the payment done and update it. Okay, now back. Now when we see his payment details, he has remaining 0 balance. And that's all. Now all the database which I have created for the software will also be available on phpMyAdmin on my local host, where I can see the item details. For example, these were the items. Item 6 I added in front of you with brown frame and 18 quantity. Okay, we bought two item 6, so its quantity was previously 20 and now it was decreased to 18. And its price was 600, and all other, for example, payments and all the databases available on localhost also. Thank you.